Alright, hello again. Right here we're going to be setting up our turret so it can fire. So let me just get rid of this stuff. I was just checking it, make sure it worked and everything. Compile, save. Okay, so let's get started. First, we want to create a custom event. So custom event, and this one's going to be called firing. Want to add a delay, and this delay is going to be based off the fire rate. Go ahead and click that guy. Bring him over here. Alright. Actually, let's move these guys up a little bit more. Okay, now we want to spawn actor from classes. Control W. Put this guy here and this guy here. Okay. So let's finish up setting the blueprints up, and then we'll move on from there. Alright, so come down here, and you want to get your turret guns. Get. And you want to get socket. Oops. Transform. In order to get that, you got to make sure to pull off right here. So you pull off, get socket, transform. Okay. And basically what this is doing is getting the socket name from the turret. And if you remember correctly, our sockets are the gun 1 and gun 2. Now, if yours are showing up here or down here, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and click it, go into top view, and move them over to where your barrels are. The reason they're over there is because I went back into Maya and I rotated the gun turret, so the front was facing the x-axis, so it was always facing the player. So you just gotta move those over, and that's no big deal. Alright, go back in the gun turret. Oh, well, check, make sure your socket name. So we have gun _1 and gun _2. We'll type those in here, and you gotta make sure they're exactly the same as what they are on the actual socket. So gun 1, gun 2. About spawn transform. Spawn transform. Okay. Now that is all finished, but we need to call this event here. So go over to your update rotation, pull off, firing. Okay. Compile and save. Oop, I missed something. Aha! Okay, thank you for reminding me. Alright, so these are going to be your projectiles. But we need to make a projectile. I already made one, but we'll go ahead and make another. Blueprint class, actor, projectile 1. I'm just naming mine 1 because I already have one there. Double click. Okay, first things first, we want a sphere. Scale it down a little bit. This could be obviously whatever you want it to be. I'm just doing a sphere because it's easy. And then we want sphere collision. And no, you just want to get it as close to the actual thing as possible. Alright, now you want projectile movement. This is very important. Okay, so in here you want to set up the speed and gravity, things like that. So I'm going to set the speed to 2000, max speed to 2500, and I'm going to actually bring the gravity down to like 0.4. See what that does. File, save, go back over to your gun turret, and if in the content browser you keep your new projectile selected, you can just hit this little over arrow and it'll put it in there for you. So compile, save, and play. As you can see, the turret is firing at my player. Obviously it's not doing any damage or anything like that, but if you don't like how fast it's going or anything like that, you could just bring this rotate speed up. Pile. Now it follows right with the player. If you want the firing rate to be crazy, we'll put it 2.5. Pile. The lower the number, the firing rate, the faster it'll be firing. Because the firing rate, of course, is the delay. That's all it is. It's just seconds in delay. So it's, you know, half a second between each one. Okay. And I think that is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.